Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to watch Dazn with a VPN. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Dazn application on your mobile phone if you haven't already. And after opening up the application guys, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the login screen, where you can go ahead and see that you need a plan to be able to watch Dazn. So what you can do guys is go ahead and get a Dazn plan if you have it already, or if you already have an account guys, go ahead and sign into your account. But guys, if you need a VPN to be able to watch sports, you'll see that you cannot log in. So this is how you get started watching with a VPN. So the first thing we need to do is go ahead and open up the App Store on our mobile phone to be able to find the VPN that we want to download. So guys, go ahead and search for VPN in your search bar right here. And after searching, you'll see all the results of the VPNs that you can buy. So as you can see, here is the ExpressVPN. You can use literally anyone you want. You can use TunnelBear, NordVPN, it doesn't matter. Find which one suits you the most and download it. So after downloading it guys, go ahead and open up the VPN on your mobile phone. So go ahead guys and open up any application you have installed, download it, open it up and connect to a US address or any other address from which you can watch the Dazn application, maybe like Japan or Germany, doesn't matter. Just connect to an address, and after you have connected, now you can go back to the Dazn application, open it up again guys, and now go ahead and try signing in with your account, and now you'll be able to successfully watch it using a VPN. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.